Hey guys, good evening. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to do my first nighttime clean with me. I don't want to call it a cleaning routine because I don't usually do this every night. So today is a Saturday and we just finished watching Poseidon. It's a movie like from 2006 and it was a great movie. Like I was screaming the whole time. I thought they're going to drown, no one else will survive and all. You should watch it. And to those who is my subscriber and watching this and have Netflix, it's available on Netflix. You should watch this. So I'm just going to, as always, I'm just going to let you see the preview of the mess that Anya did here in our family room and the mess she did in our formal living room, and also the things I need to like clean up in our kitchen. Let's go! So here's what she did. Okay, it's a bit of a mess. Yeah. And I'm watching right now the classic, no, not really the classic, the Vampire Diaries, which I really love because of my sister. She's the one who introduced me to watch Vampire Diaries, so I'm watching it. And now let's go downstairs. Here's what she did and still doing. Okay, it's not that mess, but the pillows need to be arranged properly. Right, Anya? Say hi! Hi! See? My Anya's so friendly. And now let's go to the kitchen.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong cause we don't belong, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
hope you like our video and give it a thumbs up, and have a great weekend or weekdays or good morning and good afternoon.